This is not magic. This is a scientific experiment. Pour water inside the quilt. The little girl turned around. This is the refraction of light. Fold a bill in half. Put a coin on top. Then unfold the bill. Coins actually do not fall down. Isn't that amazing? Wrap the onion in a t-shirt and put it in a pot. Pour in white vinegar and heat it up. And you have a green t-shirt. Pour laundry detergent into a glass of water. Pour the white vinegar into it. Put the lid on and shake well. And you will see the magic of the water tornado. Can you imagine it? A blown-up balloon. A blown-up balloon can actually hold up to a 24-pound iron ball. Put a rusty fork in the milk and soak it. The fork is as good as new. Tie a ruler to the top of a hammer with a leather strap. Put it on the edge of the table. Perfect balance. This is the principle of anti-gravity action. Use a pencil to roll the paper into a cylinder. Use a fork to hold the paper cylinder above the cup. When you light the top end, it will create a backward flow of smoke from the top to the bottom.